Hello! Happy Friday to all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries and to the different people in this world. So I have some videos of my alaga, Pangsilin, because she take a photo shoot graduation in the KG2. Okay? Ayan o. Wow! Congratulations, Sisi. Ayan. Congratulations. Wow. She is very brilliant talaga. Brilliant. Little girl. Oh, yun yung mga friend niya. Oh, ayan yung friend niya sa school. Oh, ayan yung alaga ko si Sisi. Ayan, oh, ayan. Ayan siya, oh. Oh, you see how I'm proud as a nanny. And then proud parents of Mr. and Mrs. Osama Kamal and the whole family. Both sides of my madam and sir. She's very proud. Oh, you see how brilliant she is. Oh, I'm very happy for you, Sisi. That one the arrow. Oh, you see? Susida ko yung fit. Yung legs niya talaga. Before when she's small, I make straight. That's why. That one, but I don't know. It's become seed. Oh, you see? Oh, don't you? Don't. Di go there pala. Hindi. What's that ba yun? Okay. Wow. Ayan o. KG2. Ayan siya o. I'm very happy to you. Sa video nila. Ayan yung video nila. Nagmarcha na sila. Parang balamang kabibo. O, diba? Sus, nagrarang siya ka-happy. Tawag siya ka-happy. Oh, she's jumping and jumping talaga. Ayan o. Ayan siya o. Hello, Sisi. Oh, now you can judge who I am. Oh, and that's what I have. I'm very proud talaga. Just imagine, from 4 months until now, she's almost 6 years old this coming May. Her birthday. Diba? Grabe talaga. I'm so very glad for you, Celine. Oh, you see? Don't judge who I am because you don't know me, really. And be careful. If you are talking to me, be careful. Because all that you are telling to me, nako, I return to you all also. To your personality. So that's why, yeah, congrats, Celine, Osama Kamal, congrats very much. And congrats to all children's in kinder, KG1, KG2, mga nursery. Oh, sa school nila. Oh, ayan yung school nila. Okay? So, once again, thank you so much. And God bless us all. And more blessings. Happy weekend. So, ayan siya. Kaya tila. Kagara-gara man lamang. Ay, congrats, Sisi. Congrats so much. Congrats. Oh. Very congrats talaga si Sisi. Oh, yan siya. Dad ka very congrats. Proud. Da-download ko to sa channel ko para souvenir, and she is the one of my journey. Her in Baghdad, Iraq. Ayan o. Sa school ba siya nila to? Kita mo siya. Parang dito ka-stolen picture. She is the brilliant little girl. Okay. Once again, I say bye-bye. Bye. Thank you again for watching. God bless us all.